Hey everyone, it's Georgia here with Mobile Homes by Georgia, and today I'm currently standing outside of the Onward. Now this is going to be the smallest double wide that we currently have on the lot here at Regional Homes in Bossier City. So this is called the Onward. It's built by Embark Homes. It's going to be a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 28 by 48 box size, and I'm really excited to show it off to you guys. So coming right on in, we're greeted by this beautiful living room, and that entertainment center is gorgeous as well. So to the right, we've got your kitchen, and then that is the front door that I came in. Now check out this beautiful kitchen. Now every house is going to come with your delivery, your setup, your skirting, your steps, your AC unit, and all of your kitchen appliances. So we've got these beautiful stainless steel appliances in here, and I love that decorative shelf above there. It's really nice. So we've got some additional storage in this island. And here is a look at your smooth top range. Now this house was not ordered with a microwave above it, but you can absolutely upgrade to that when you order yours. Along with the upgrade of the microwave, you can upgrade, a few other features in this house, but all of your colors are not going to change the price. So you can change out your flooring, your wall color, your cabinets, your countertops as well. Now here is a look at your dining room. Now I love that you really have a designated dining room in this house. You've got this really pretty sliding glass door right there. Perfect if you plan on putting a porch out there, so you've got that indoor-outdoor flow coming into your kitchen. Now here is a look at your laundry room. I love that you've got an additional entrance coming into here. Perfect if you've got muddy shoes or dirty clothes, and you can leave them right in your laundry room. Now, if you guys don't prefer that sliding glass door that you saw in the dining room, that can absolutely be changed out just for some windows there. Now, here is another look at your kitchen. And I love this little nook right there. That would be perfect for a coffee bar. Tons of storage. Now, in this island, you will see that you can fit a few bar stools up to there, which is really nice to have that additional seating. Now this house does have a pantry in it, which is really amazing. You're definitely not going to see a pantry in every one of our homes on the lot. Okay, now here is another look at your beautiful living room. And we've got this entertainment center right here with this really nice dark colored shiplap on there. That is going to be an electric fireplace. That is the only option available in this house. And I love these decorative shelves that you've got. Okay, to the right is going to be the master bedroom. Now this is a really great size as well. So you've got the master bedroom, and here is a look at your master closet. You've got a decent amount of storage in here, and I love that you've got these really nice hooks right there. That would be perfect for your bags. Okay, now we've got the master bathroom. Now this bathroom really has every feature you could want. Now you've got your dual sinks in here, a nice amount of storage in your vanity space. You've got a really large soaking tub. And I do like that you do have some privacy with this toilet kind of tucked around this corner. And now you've got this really large fiberglass shower. Now this was an upgrade, so this is going to be your 72-inch fiberglass shower option. One thing you guys will also notice is that the floor vents are located in the floor, but you can absolutely upgrade that to your ceiling. Okay, so we're going to have the 2 guest bedrooms on this side. Now, if you guys are wondering where this house is at, it's located at 3500 East Texas Street, Bossier City, Louisiana. Now, I work for Regional Homes, and if you are located outside of that delivery range, don't worry, there are regional home locations all over the Southeast that can help you out. So just go to regionalhomes.net, plug in your zip code, and hopefully there's a location near you. Okay, here is a look at your last bedroom. Now, if you guys decide to come by or call in, make sure to ask for Georgia, because if you mention this video, I will give you a $500 gift card of your choice with the purchase of your home. All right, now we're standing in your guest bathroom, which is really great size. You've got a nice size shower tub combo as well. All right, guys, thank you so much for taking a look at the Onward built by Embark homes with me. Definitely let me know what you think about this house in the comments down below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel. Have a great day, everyone.